Welcome back to this video. In today's tutorial, I will show you on how to recover your Gmail account without any stress. So let's begin. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's get started. So the very first thing you need to do when you are trying to log into your Gmail account, maybe you forgot your password or you forgot your username, this video is what you need to watch from the beginning to the end and see how to recover that Gmail account. So let's get started. So right here on my screen right here, you can see right here, I tried to enter a password, but the password keep rejecting and they keep telling me that the password was very wrong. So, and I need to recover this account. So for us to recover our Gmail account, what we need to do is to simply click on forgot password right here. Then after click on forgot password, this is going to pop up. Okay, now you must have a recovery mail account that has been linked into the particular account, or better still, if you don't want to use the mail account that was linked to the account, you can click on try other way. Okay, but as for me, I'm going to use this particular email that was linked as my recovery mail to the account I want to recover. So they have already sent a verification code to the mail, which is what you see right here. What I need to do is to simply enter the code into this particular page right here. So next thing I'm going to do is to simply enter the code that was sent to my recovery mail. So I'm going to enter the code straight up. Next thing I'm going to do is to simply click on next. Then you can update your password now if you forgot it. What you need to do is to simply click on update. Then right here, you have to enter a new password that you will always remember. Create a new strong password that you don't use for other websites. So right here, I'm going to enter my new password. Then I will confirm the password in the next paragraph. So next thing I'm going to do is to simply click on save password. Then click on save right here. You will stay signed in on this device after you change your password. Click on change password. Then it's going to take you to security checkup. Then right here, just scroll down and then click on continue to Gmail. Just like so, and you have successfully recovered your Gmail account back. It's as simple as that. So this is how to recover any Gmail account without any stress. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.